folks, on this Friday, December what? What is December what? 29. I'm gonna be cooking the fish now. So now we can put this bread away right here. Uh-oh.
The urgent coastal warning with waves up to 25 the doors of a restaurant in Santa Cruz County.
Okay.
Its way down the coast through tomorrow. Rob Marciano
Just saute.
First, ABC's Will Carr leads us off from southern. Took over Ventura Street.
Okay.
A wall of water sweeping up people and vehicles in its path. At least 8 people were hurt. More than a dozen rescues Thursday. Watch as 2 people race to help this lifeguard, grabbing their arms, pulling them to dry land.
So this was the lobby.
That wave destroying the first floor.
Pretty good, ain't it?
A wave of that strength.
Yes.
Damaging businesses in Northern California's Santa Cruz County.
With the waves being so powerful, if you turn your back for even a split second.
Cat killer. Cat killer.
And when there is still a serious threat heading into the weekend, that's why authorities have built up those berms behind me to protect the homes and businesses across this area as that high surf.
I didn't mix them too good. The chili powder is on this one, but this one, maybe Margie will try it. Okay, let's see.
The governor basing his decision on meetings with doctors, parents, and transgender children. So why I'm saying that while he agrees with some of the concerns from lawmakers, the bill suggests the government knows better than parents about what is medically best for a child. We move on now to the war in Ukraine. Russia unleashing its largest attack today since the fighting began nearly 2 years ago. The massive barrage of missiles and drones
pretty good.
Civilians in 6 major cities, dozens killed. Here's ABC's Marcus Bull.
Wow, it smells so good. Okay, folks, let's see.
Simply repair the colon lining. Check, check, and check.
Rinvoq can lower your ability to fight infections, including TB, serious infections and blood clots, some fatal, cancers including lymphoma and skin cancer.
I swear it's so tasty, you're not going to believe it. Watch it.
Older with at least one heart disease risk
Oh,
factor.
ho, 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 ho.
Don't take if allergic to it. Serious reactions can occur. Tell your doctor if you are or may
Too
be
much
affected.
salt though, but made a mistake. But
Ask your
it's still,
gastroenterologist about Rinvoq.
look
Learn
at,
how Aptly can help you save.
look at.
Next tonight,
Man.
daring rescue by firefighters in Chicago.
Mm,
Flames shooting from the 6th floor window of an apartment building on the city's north side. A woman seen leaning out the
Okay.
window, screaming for help. Fire
If
crews
you
using
wanna
buckets
try,
to reach people on higher
it's
floors.
okay.
2 people were rushed to the hospital.
Maybe just try a little bit.
I'm gonna smoke the rest of it.
Little bit.
No, I'm gonna smoke the rest of it.
Okay, folks, now let me eat the food now.
Over there.
Bye.
There's news.